Swallowing a spoonful of sugar can stop hiccups instantly. No water, no holding your breath, just straight up sugar. It sounds wild, but this kitchen hack has actually been backed by science for decades. Here's what happens. When you let that grainy sugar slide down your throat, it overloads the nerves in your mouth and throat, distracting your brain from the annoying hiccup reflex. Your diaphragm spasms get interrupted, and just like that, the hiccups vanish. Forget all the old tricks, breathing into a bag, getting someone to scare you, or standing on your head. This sweet solution is faster and way less awkward, and you probably already have all you need in your pantry. Next time hiccups hit, don't stress. Grab a teaspoon of regular sugar, swallow it dry, and see how quickly your body resets.